Jay and Abby, look what Grandma found on my nature walk today. Look at this bug and his eyes.
Papa don't like that bug.
Wow, that kind of almost attacked you, huh?
It came over and it got on my
Yeah, I heard it kind of buzz too.
Yeah, so don't piss off them bugs, Mom.
Papa is safe back
I'm safe now.
at our own cabin.
Whew, you know,
He ran away so fast from that bug.
them goddamn alien bugs, you know.
Okay.
We just arrived at our bungalow in Ninh Binh. Here's Quang's. Oh man, I can't pronounce that. Something like that. Little bathroom. Shower and tub. Let's see what our view looks like. Taking a bath here. Man. Yeah, that's the best part. We're here for 4 nights. And it's going to be horrible, but this is what we're going to have to put up with. Here's the putting green. I can't put.
Were you joking?
Yes.
Har har.
I'm sure glad I can still crack you up. Hey kids, we are at in the province of Ninh Binh in Vietnam, and it is stunningly beautiful here. The limestone mountains, the lake, and the water, and we're going to be here for 4 days, and we're going to do some boat rides. We're going to oh damn, there was another one of the bugs.
No, that was a butterfly.
Yeah.
Those butterflies are almost like the size of a bat.
Yeah.
They're black, but they're so beautiful.
Yeah,
One landed on my wrist the other day, remember?
Yeah. Yeah, we just had an
And of course,
an
that's my
encounter
dad
with
visiting me.
we just had an encounter with a bug I've never seen before. It looked like something out of Star Wars. Yeah, the bar scene at Star Wars. That would be a good description.
The eyes were like this.
Yeah, and antennas, and had the eyeballs out here. Of course, I'm real manly. I squealed like a girl.
I squealed like a girl.
But no, it was. Yeah, we're gonna enjoy this. It's a lot of. We're just gonna relax. We got no TV in our cottage. Just
Um,
I have to talk to Grandma.
no horns, horns or motorbikes. Or...
Yeah. Coming from Hanoi, where it was so busy and so chaotic, to this, and you can hear nothing. There's not a sound in the air.
Just the birds.
Yeah, birds, and that's about it. So, anyway, we will keep you up to date on what we're doing. Like I say, next couple of days we'll. I think tomorrow we're gonna get us. We're gonna rent a motorbike and go ride around and see what we can see and see how much trouble we can get into. And then we'll take the boats, and I think we're gonna enjoy it. Talk to y'all later.
Oh, Dad, this brings back so many memories. Woohoo! Doing a good job, Dad.
We haven't crashed yet.
Don't say that.
Or maybe not. Who knows? What the hell? Let's go get lost, girl.
Yeah. City, huh, with your horn.
Yeah. Like I know what I'm doing.
I don't know, Bill. I hope you do. My eyes are closed.
something, isn't it?
Yeah.
Look at all of that. Gorgeous, man. Holy crap. Are you kidding me? Oh. Yeah, I don't know about this.
He has a child on his back.
Oh, water. Water. Okay, stay there. There's a big thing of water here. Yeah, careful. See the water?
Oh, wow. You're kind of slippery, Dad.
Got it. Get water down there? Yep. Okay.
Holy cow.
Did you touch it? Sucker's huge. Last time I was on a boat, I ended up in an emergency room in a hospital in Lake Tahoe because my brother Joe pushed me in. Not this time.
Oh my goodness. Wow.
Okay, this is cool.
Hello, hello, hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello, sit down.
Sit down.
Oh, down. Okay.
Oh,
Oh, that way. Okay.
Okay, right, okay.
Gotcha. Yeah. Tell me to sit down, I'm laying back. Is this crazy? You're like, you gotta bend over so you don't get your head smashed. This is cool.
Very cool. so cool.
Down. I'm down. I'm down.
Down, Dad.
I'm down. Oh man, I tell you what, this ranks right up there. Woo! Yeah, I'm seeing you.
Oh, no, no.
No. Oh, okay. Gotcha.
Don't come on my side, Bill. I mean, we'll go over.
Sorry. Yeah.
Even the boat out.
Okay. Yeah, damn near tipped over the boat.
Yeah. You watch your head again.
Got it again.
I think the kids would love this, Bill.
Oh my God.
Jay would be, oh my God, oh my God.
Yeah.
Abby and Chloe, I wish you were with me. Okay. Chloe and Abby, I know you're here with me in spirit. So. Bill, it's like ice cold. I'm in Alaska. Whoa!